everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alan Ray, and today I'm going to be getting a new sofa. So I'm currently going to show you what my current living room situation is. Of course, you've seen it in all the other videos too, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did buy already. So as you can see, this is the current living room set. I did buy a rug and removed the things, and I sold the little chairs here. Now, I haven't sold these yet, but they are currently on Facebook Marketplace and they're going to be getting rid of them. The thing is, the sectional is an L shape, so it's like that. So it's gonna go along that wall and that wall. Now the thing is, right here, I can at least sit like 5, maybe 4 people comfortably on the sofa. But on the new sectional, I wanna say you should be able to sit 5 to 6 comfortably. And then I also wanna buy 2 accent chairs that are a dark gray so that it can contrast with them. Now I'm also getting rid of this thing because it's fine for what it is here, but it's just really big. It takes up a lot of space. I know in the other apartment it fit better. This one's a little smaller in the living room area though, so that's one thing that I took into consideration when also looking at the sectional one. Until then, today we are going to go pick up the main sofa. The plan is to have it here, put it against the corner, buy a smaller table, put it right here because it's going to be going in another 1.5 feet, so I'd have space for a little table there. And then this is going to be, I'm probably going to get something half the size of it, or maybe from here that way. Went and got the sofa already, and we brought it upstairs, unpackaged it. I threw away all the plastic already, and this is what it looks like. Bam! So it's a sectional. I still have the other sofa right here and the other one in the kitchen right now. It's just some tools right there. But I still put the old pillows because that's what I have right now. But the thing is, this was centered with the other sofa, and obviously this one is shifted to the wall, so I'm gonna have to reposition these a little more to the right hand side so that they can be balanced. And then from there, I want to find little side tables that could fit in there. It's about 2 feet of space in there. It doesn't look that big, but because these sofas are very wide, so it's gonna go one on each side. And then I'm also gonna buy a new center table here because that one would be too big to be with this. And then also I want to buy some 2 chairs that would go right here. Okay guys, so change of plans. It is several days later. I have bought some stuff, but I'm still gonna go to the store to look for more stuff. I still want to buy like another plant, and then maybe like, a new comforter set. That's what I want to look for right now. But I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and see if they have anything there, because I know I've gone to some of them the other days and they really didn't have much. So right now I'm going to go, and yes, I just took a shower and I got soap in my eyes, so you can see I'm red, I know, because I kept scratching it too, but I'll go and let you know once we're at the store. And then I'm also gonna have to stop by the grocery store because I need a lot of stuff. I need toilet paper, waters, coats, and some like breakfast stuff, so let's go. Guys, so I just got back home and I bought a lot of things. I was surprised I actually found some stuff. Now, it's been over the course of several days, but I did find a lot of things. But of course, they were all from different stores. I'll go ahead and mention them to show you which ones. Now, with that being said, I went on a shopping spree, y'all. This is the shopping spree that I went on. But, okay, to get started, I want to show you. Okay, so I already started unpackaging some of the things, but I did, don't want stuff breaking, okay. So I did buy these pillows. These were in a set, so I'm gonna see where those are gonna go. Now I did find this comforter set, because the thing is, I've had my comforter for a little while now, so I just wanted a new, not color, but just the other one, because it was kind of like it was like an oversized throw blanket with the fuzzy side on the bottom, and that would get really hot sometimes at night. But of course in the winter time right now, it's much appreciated. But as you can see, I also had gotten some coasters, some other colored coasters. These are more of like a concrete wood thing. Now I did also buy this little human. Pretty cute, he's thinking. I'm gonna put that probably on the coffee table, and then I also bought this tray. This was from Ross. This was 11 bucks. Did buy this plant, $12.89 as well. Then I also bought this pot, but then I went into Hobby Lobby and bought this filler, so I put it in there. Now that's pretty big, so I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put that. Now I did also buy these gold pillows from Burlington, and then I did buy this little plant from Ross. Yeah, so this is more than likely gonna probably go in my bedroom. And then I also bought this thing. This was on clearance. It was $6. What do you call it? A chess piece. And then in here you have like a little wooden tray. That's the receipt from HEB. And then I also did buy these gold pillows. I'm probably going to swap them for those, or I just gotta see. Now, of course, I got rid of some seating, getting rid of the sofas. But guys, when I tell you, look at what I found. I bought 2 of these white chairs from TJ Maxx. I saw them there. Now I had been looking everywhere for chairs, but I found these, and these are like just the way the back is arched. It's really good. And then as far as like it's a striped pattern. Now I was looking for a dark gray one, but then I saw these and I was like, you know what? Those can actually go pretty well too. So then I bought this, and then I ended up also selling the sofas and the ottoman. So that required me to get a new table. Now I was looking for a gold one and I couldn't find one anywhere. But then I ended up going to a Ross, and then I found a gold table. And it was a good price. It was I think like 79 bucks, but it was a little small. So then I had ended up the following day going to another Ross, and then I found the exact same table, just bigger. So this is the table reveal. So this is the main table in the middle. As you can see, it's mirrored. It's very dirty from carrying it up, but then also from there just sitting at Ross. And then I did find a nightstand, a little table that's gonna go right here. It doesn't match it like identical, but just something that I guess goes with the gold accent. I'm gonna push these chairs forward right here, of course, to have a walking way through, but I'm gonna go ahead and start placing things in their position. But before I do that, I want to clean that table. And I don't have Windex, which is something I need, but I'm just gonna get started on that, see if I can do anything to clean that. Yeah, so there's like a good walking amount on each side, and of course on the back of the chair, and then right here also going to the main carpet outside. Yeah, I like this. So as you can see, this is the flow of the new living room now. As far as what I'm going to be putting on the table, I bought 2 trays, only to see which ones I would like better. Now, of course, this one is just like a wooden slab. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna like this one or not. Place this one down. And I do have like some stuff that needs to go on it too. Obviously, like the remote, the candle I had here. I'm gonna put that there, see how that looks. I think I like the way that looks. I also like the gold, like the little gold accents on these. Now, as far as everything else, oh, I forgot to mention, I did buy the lamp too for my bed, because I did move around my room. So now it's like I have more space, because the bed was originally like the length of the room that way. Let me go ahead and just show you. I had the bed long ways, and this opened up a lot of space for me over here. Now I did put this here. I brought all the bedroom stuff over here. Now I do have this comforter, new pillows, the lampshade, and the plant. So I'll go ahead and put the plant first, just to move something down. Now that is a little tight, so I'm gonna have to scoot the stuff down over this way. Hey y'all, editing me here. So I went ahead and actually went to sleep that night because I don't want to show y'all anything that was in the dark. So I went ahead and waited until the next day. So I put everything that was in the living room, arranged it how it was supposed to be, and then finished my bedroom so that I could show you how it looked properly in the daytime, so that you can get a feel for what the room feels like. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and continue with the reveal. everybody, well, that is it for today's video. I know it's not much, but it's just, I wanted to give you an update of what I had bought. I think it's good, at least for me, in my little apartment. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe, press that subscribe button down below. Also, go ahead and share this video, like it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later. Bye! Red, I know.